Top 5 habits of successful people you can adopt today. Have you ever wondered what makes successful people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or Oprah Winfrey stand out from the rest? Is it luck? Or maybe something you and I can learn? Today, I'm revealing the 5 powerful habits that the most successful people follow every single day, and trust me, you can start doing them right now. So, stick around till the end, because the 5th habit might just blow your mind. 1. Wake up early. Studies show that waking up early gives you a head start over everyone else. Imagine Elon Musk starting his day at 5 a.m., tackling his to-do list while most of us are still snoozing. By waking up early, you gain extra hours to focus on personal growth or planning your day effectively. Pro tip: use the first hour of your morning for mindfulness or exercise. It sets the tone for the entire day. 2. Set clear goals. Successful people don't just wing it, they have clear and measurable goals. Elon Musk once said, "You should constantly think about how to make things better." Whether it's building Tesla or launching SpaceX, his success is rooted in planning and execution. Action step: write down 3 specific goals every morning and review them at night. 3. Read every day. Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year. Reading not only expands knowledge, but also enhances critical thinking. Choose books that challenge your mindset, whether it's self-help, biographies, or industry-related topics. Example: Oprah Winfrey credits much of her success to reading and learning from the experiences of others. 4. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Remember, the legendary Michael Jordan didn't master basketball overnight. He practiced tirelessly, day in and day out. Whatever your field, showing up every day builds habits that lead to mastery. Tip: start small. Consistency is more important than perfection. 5. Prioritize your time. Time is money, and successful people know it. Elon Musk plans his day in 5-minute blocks. This might seem extreme, but it ensures no time is wasted. Suggestion: use time management tools like Google Calendar or apps like Notion to keep your schedule in check. Let's take Elon Musk's story. He wasn't always a billionaire. In fact, after selling his first company, Zip2, he poured every penny into building SpaceX and Tesla, risking everything. He worked 8,100 hours a week, meticulously planned his goals, and stayed consistent even when both companies were on the verge of bankruptcy. Today, Musk is among the wealthiest and most influential individuals on Earth. Now that you know these 5 powerful habits, it's time to take action. Comment below which habit you'll adopt starting today. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little motivation. Also, let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, stay consistent, and believe in your potential. I'll see you in the next video.